We stop here 10 minutes, but watch up where you step with your foot, because I don't like to have the shit in the bus.